Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session class. Today I discuss substantial development, class 10, chapter number 5. Today I related to topic importance of substantial development. My dear student, first important proper use of resources. First importance proper use of resources. Proper use of what is the proper use of resources? The proper use of resources is mainly related to drinking water. First, drinking water, drinking water. The second use of the proper resources is chemical fertilizer. Chemical fertilizers. The third proper use of resources is forest product. Forest product. There are so many such type of resources used in the sustainable development. So proper use of resources is the help of the development of people. Suppose drinking water is the wastage. The people, a country is not developed. So forest is not safe. There is no any such type of material. There are so many such type of medicine is made by the forester. So proper use of resources is mainly dependent upon the three parts. First, drinking water. Second, chemical fertilizer, and the third, forest product. My second point is development of positive attitude. Second point is development of positive attitude. Development of positive attitude. Which type of positive attitude? Attitude is very useful in our life, but your attitude is mainly related to knowledge. First, knowledge. Second, skills. The positive attitude is mainly based upon the knowledge and skills. Skills, it make to the aware of the responsibility to use, preserve, and is mainly related to knowledge and skills is mainly related to mines, forest, land, mines, forest, and land. Because sustainable development is mainly, there are so many such type of important, but mainly I discuss to the 4 and to the 5 importance. First, proper use of resources. Proper use. First, drinking water, chemical fertilizer, and the forest product. Second, development of positive attitude. Positive attitude is mainly related to knowledge and skills. Knowledge is the different, skills is the different. Is all of the you are to the knowledge and the skills is mainly shown to the mines, forest, and land. Which type of knowledge? Suppose you go to the mines area. but there is because mines area is mainly related to the methane gas. There are so many such type of coal, iron. There's so many such type of area in related to the mine sector, forest and the land. So these three sectors are mainly applicable on the knowledge and the skills. My third point, development of fundamental parts. My third point, development of development of fundamental part. Which type of development of the fundamental part? So sustainable development is to process of health. Which type of health, agriculture, tourism, and social reform. Development of fundamental part. Which type of development of fundamental part? These fundamental parts are first related to agriculture. Every country is first of all focused to the agriculture. The second development of health. Second development of health. Third development of educations. So this is the main fundamental area. Your health is bad, your country is not developed. Education is bad, country is not developed. Agriculture problem is all over the country. So every country focus to the agriculture area. My fourth point, development based on people participation. Development based on people participation. Development based on people participation. Which type of people participation? Mainly people participation in the particular topic are mainly related to the environment conservation. This is the mainly related to the environment conservation. So the 4 and the 5 topic are sufficient. First, proper use of resources. So which type of proper use of resources? Drinking water, chemical fertilizer, forest product. Second number for development of positive attitude. Positive attitude is mainly related to the knowledge and skills. Knowledge and skills means mines, land, and to the forest. Suppose you are not knowledge, you are go to the mines area. Methane gas is always time produced in this particular area. So your life is dangerous. So this is the mainly focus on the knowledge and the skill, and this knowledge and the skill is mainly applicable on the mines, forest, and the land. Development of fundamental part. Development of fundamental parts. The main fundamental parts are the health, second educations, third agriculture, fourth development of the any such type of tourism development. Fourth, development based on the people participation. The people participation means environment conservation, because the people is not participate, my environment is not safety, because the so many people are used in the motorcycles, cars, but now time the all our people are to the not aware the they have to the always time globalization is a very big problem in now time. My fifth point and the last point limitation of development. My fifth point is the limitation of development. limitation of development. Which type of limitation of development? Which type of development? तो mainly related to the development is mainly related to be enough to the resources. Therefore limited and effective use means resources is important. Sustainable development makes people aware about their involvement to policy making to the limited to development as per their need. Suppose my country GDP is always time low level. Why my country GDP is always time to the low level? Because they have to the limited resources. They have to the limited such type of service. You pass out in the engineering, you pass out to the MBA, but there is no any such type of service provided in the any such type of company, because there is no any such type of limited resource. Limitation is mainly related to the natural resources. So natural resources, all our country is focused to the natural resources. So natural resources is the limited in this nowadays time. So limitation of development, all our country focus to the produce to the electricity. So electricity makes to the coal, and the coal is the limited area in this earth. So always time produce manufacture in the coal. After some time, after few years, the coal resources is very limited in such type of the places. So my government is always time focus to electricity produced in solar plate, not to produce to the coal, and any such type of the metals. So there are 5 importance are discussed. First, proper resources, positive attitude, development of fundamental part, development based of people participation, and the limitation of development. So thank you so much.